So yes guys, welcome back to another video, and it is your boy Chef André Davy. And today guys, I'll be making a mango and a chia seed smoothie for you guys. Okay, so right there I have some mango that has already been chopped and peeled. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in my blender. Okay guys, and then to the mango I'm gonna go ahead and add some chia seed, roughly half teaspoon of chia seed. Okay guys, and I'm using 1 cup of diced mango. Okay guys, and then to that I'll be adding in some almond milk. Okay guys, okay, lovely. And then to that you want to go ahead and add some ice, and you want to use organic honey to sweeten. Okay guys, okay, fantastic. So what I'm going to do guys, I'm just going to go ahead and cover and then blend. Yes guys, here we go. Our mango and chia seed smoothie is ready. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and pour it in my glass. Okay guys, so this one is vegan friendly. Okay guys, but if you don't have almond milk, what you can do guys, you can go ahead and use your favorite milk.